first thing first, like as you all hear about operating system, and basically when we talk about Linux, we are mentioning operating system a lot of time. So can you kindly describe me first that what is operating system, or what you understand by the word operating system or OS?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Basically, an operating system is like, suppose, is the main software that actually runs on a computer, and it helps to manage the like hardware, like the your CPU in memory, then in the storage, and it actually lets you run the programs. And the operating system actually interact with your computer to make sure that everything that your computer has, like you have the Chrome browser, you have WhatsApp, Messenger, every other app that you are currently have in a computer, it actually see that everything works smoothly. And we have multiple operating system like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, such as.
Okay, thank you.